Does your company operate in the car body repair sector, and do you need to raise some additional finance for it? Well, if you do, there's a really clever product that works for these types of businesses. It's very specialist. It's not offered by every invoice financing company in the UK, but there are some specialists that do offer this type of funding to that sector. The way that it works is that they will buy your invoices outright for 100% of their value, less their fee for offering the service, which is normally a few percentage points. So if you operate within that sector and you need to improve your cash flow, get in touch and we can put you in touch with these specialists that can help you improve your liquidity and release some more capital for your business.